right, so we're going to do a real quick video introducing, just starting things off in geometry. We're going to talk about planes, points, lines, and collinear points, all right? So let's start off with a plane. A plane is just a flat surface, kind of like a piece of paper. It's got two dimensions, like back, forth, left, right. It's infinite in both of its dimensions. If you draw one, the edges are lines and the corners, like this, are points, right? Now, we're going to talk about how the notation works in just a second, but before we do, let's talk about points. Points are just a location, like a place, like A, C, and B right here. These are all points on this plane. D is a point that's not on the plane. Now, a point has no size, no dimension. It's just a location. That's all it is. It's just a place, like a coordinate, like 2, 4, something like that, right? Now, let's talk about a line. A line can be made by connecting two or more points, and it has one dimension, and it's infinite in both directions, all right? So we have a plane, like a two-dimensional shape, or something like a piece of paper, a point, which is a location on that plane, and lines, which connect two or more points. Now let's talk about collinear. Collinear are points that are on the same line. Like here we have point A, C, and B, all on the same line. So those are called collinear. All right, now let's talk about notation. That's how you name them in geometry. So when you're talking about lines, you're going to have 2 points on the line. Doesn't matter which goes first, doesn't matter which goes second, doesn't matter which points you use, any points on that line, and they have this line with the arrow symbol on top going both directions. So all 6 of these are this line right here. These are all names for this line right here. Now when you name a plane, you're going to use the word plane and then a couple of points that are on that plane. So this is plane ABC. One other thing I almost forgot, when you're naming a line, it can be a single lowercase letter like A right here, or it could be 2 of the points on the line. Last thing, when you name a point, it's going to have the word point and a single capital letter. Just a single letter like point A. That means this one right here.